Dear all, welcome back to Minister Stock channel. Hope all is well today. So today we will be discussing on there is one more bulk deal on National Stock Exchange, and which is approximately 1,72,000 shares have been bought at the average price of 1 rupees 90 paisa. If you are looking at my screen, there you can see that this is the current market price of this company. And when we look at the history of this company was incorporated in the year 1974 at Hosur, Tamil Nadu, and commenced its production in the 1980s. The company was promoted by the late Ishwaran Hari Ishwaran and associates, and also the promoter have interest in Easun Engineering Products of India, Easun Investment Inc. It is having factories in Tamil Nadu and Bangalore, and the manufacturing started in the 1980s, and in October 95 the company came out with 7.1 crore rights issue, premium price of 100 rupees. So this is the little bit background about this company, and by this time you might have understood about which company I am talking about. This is the company which is you can look at my screen. The company name is Easun Reyrolle Limited. Easun Reyrolle Limited is a manufacturing of microprocessor based relays, and also the company has a technical collaboration with Rolls-Royce UK since May 75 to manufacture relays, relay test sets and relay toolkits. It entered into a licensing arrangement with Rolls-Royce in Feb 95 to exclusively manufacture microprocessor based relays. Products manufactured by the company are being bought by Reyrolle UK, and the company commissioned 2,225 megawatt wind energy turbines in September 94 in Tamil Nadu. So this is about the Easun Reyrolle Limited, and the current market price is 1 rupees 90 paisa. So before we proceed further, let us understand how the stock is performing at different time zones. So if we look at the today's return is minus 5%. In 1 week time zone, if we can see, the return is minus 11.63%. Same time, if the look at the 1 month time frame, the return is minus 35, almost 36% minus. Again in 1 year time zone, again stock has badly performed with minus 34.14% of return, that is totally minus. In 5 year time zone, again stock has minus 94, matlab stock has given only the negative returns in different time zones, like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and even 5 years time zone. And if we look at the maximum period since its inception Jan 2000, the stock has given minus 81.97, so almost approximately 82% minus return the stock has given. But interestingly, if you are looking at my screen very carefully, you can see the high price was, lifetime high was almost 368 rupees. You can see here somewhere in 2004 364, right? So here you can understand this, the time when the stock was trading at 2007 the stock was reached the lifetime high of 368 rupees, and from there now it is trading at 1 rupees 90 paisa, and the low was 1.55 paisa, and now currently the stock has came down to, currently it is trading at 1 rupees 90 paisa. So this is the the stock performance in different time zones. So parallelly we'll look into the other investment checklist for this company. So for intrinsic value there is no details. Again ROE versus FD rates, the stock has not been able to generate better returns on equity than FD as comparison if we do. And even when it comes to the dividend return, stock doesn't offer attractive dividend returns. But when it comes to the entry price, so if anyone want to make an entry, if you want to buy these shares, so as per the checklist now it says ki this is the good time to consider as stock is not in overbought zone, correct? So because see, all the way from 368, from here 368 and my current market price is 190, so definitely this is not in overbought zones. So this is what the analysis here. And the red flag is here. One more thing is stock is in GSM list. So this is also one negative the indication, like GSM in this a graded surveillance measure here. So this is also to capture or to look at the price movement of particular stock. The exchange used to keep or parks a share in GSM list. So this is not advisable, and this is one bad indication of the or negative thing about the stock. So apart from that, let us look at the financial trend of this company. And here if you look at the financial performance from 2016 to 2019, the stock has given negative profits. If you look at this, this is revenue and this is the loss. So minus 48, minus 21, minus 15 and minus 10.26. so the values are in crores actually. Okay, so values are in crores, so we can see the minus crore values. So loss making company. And this is about the financial trends. And let us look into the shareholding pattern of this company, so that we can understand the financial or the company fundamental, how this company is doing. So mutual fund, let us see. Mutual fund, there is zero holding. Other domestic institutions are also even zero, no holding. FIIs, okay, interestingly we can see there are FIIs invested in this company with the percentage of 4.89%. so from June to September, if we see, there is consistency, there is no increase or decrease in the FIIs shareholding. So when it comes to the retailers, yes, there are retailers in this company with the 40.78% retail investors, and other parties are 18.31%. so again, look at the total promoter holding. So even promoter holding is consistency is there is no increase or there is no decrease in the promoter holding pattern. So this is also one good thing about the company. But overall, if we look at the overall the financial trend or financial position or the the fundamental situation of the company, and considering the investment checklist for this company, definitely this is not a good sign, because the stock has almost from its high price of 368 to now current at 1.9. This is not a good sign, because for the short term period, definitely we can consider as this is not in overbought zone, and we can make a good analysis with the financial trend or the market trend, and then we can make a short trade in this company. But before taking any financial decision or financial step in this company, you can consider you can take advice from your personal financial advisors. Thank you for watching. Keep watching these videos and keep liking and keep sharing with your family and friends. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.